we are going to set up self-hosting on Render. So on the Render site, we're going to get started. Okay, we will sign up and create an account. Okay, we will accept this verification. Okay, so we clicked on the email and it says, tell us about yourself. We're going to skip the survey and then we're going to go straight into the hobby plan. We're going to scroll down and select plan, and then we're going to do new web service, and then we're going to get an existing image, and then we're going to get a Docker image, which will automatically set up n8n for us. So we'll open up a new tab and go Docker n8n, and we will go to Docker image. Okay, we're going to scroll down, and once we get to the start n8n in Docker, this is where if you were to host it on your own computer, but we're just self-hosting on Render. So we just copy and paste that URL right there, and then we paste it in, and then we don't need any credentials, and then we'll hit connect. n8n test. Okay, this is all good. We are near the Oregon region, so that it looks good. We're going to go to the free account. So the problem with the free account is it will automatically shut down if you're not using it due to inactivity. Otherwise, you can upgrade to one of these plans, but we're just going to ignore that now and deploy web service. Okay, in the terminal, and it will show us the information when it's deployed here. Your service is now live, and it took about 2 minutes to get it live. Once it's live, you can click here. It actually took a couple refreshes, but we are just going to set up an account right here, add in a password, and hit next. My server actually spun down due to inactivity, so I had to re-log in. Okay, we are finally in. And I'm not using n8n for work, and we just said Google, let's get started, get paid features. You can fill this out if you would like to, otherwise we're just going to skip it and start from scratch. And it's pretty slow, but now we have our n8n self-hosted server, and we don't have to do any other configuration. Everything works. Thanks for watching.